Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today we going to learn about ComfyUI Manager. ComfyUI Manager is an extension designed to enhance the usability and functionality of ComfyUI. It offers management functions to install, remove, disable, and enable various custom nodes of ComfyUI. Furthermore, this extension provides a hub feature and convenience functions to access a wide range of information within ComfyUI. Basically, this extension will make installing and editing a new workflow become a very seamless process. If you upload a new workflow and there is a bunch of custom nodes that you don't own or installed yet, it will show as red on the screen. Your task is to manually install all this missing node manually. You need to exactly know where the location of the node and install them one by one. When loading the graph, there are many node types were not found. Nodes that have failed to load will show as red on the graph. After this, we have no clue where to install each and every nodes. Now let's try to install ComfyUI Manager. First, you need to have Git and ComfyUI. I already installed, so check the link on the description for how to install them. Next, according to your ComfyUI setup, there are a bunch of ways to install this extension. First, it could work for regular and portable Comfy, is to navigate to ComfyUI custom node directory at ComfyUI/custom nodes. From that directory, write CMD on address bar, or you could directly use command prompt by writing the drive, for example, D and colon symbol, and then press enter. Then write CD space under double quote the directory and then press enter. After this, you need to write git clone https://github.com/ltdr-data/ComfyUI-manager.git. You could copy-paste this from the GitHub. After that, restart your Comfy by closing and opening it. When you restart, it will install a bunch of new files, and now you can see a manager there. Now let's go back to Manager. For example, here what it looked like when I try to open a workflow as Excel Turbo Generation plus two-step interactive selection upscale using Preview Chooser by Stubby Ramesh. We will install all the missing node. We simply click Install from here and it will automatically install it if the owner of the node register it to Manager, which mostly actually do that. Also, don't worry if you see any conflicting node. You can always disable them later. After you install all of them, you still need to restart your ComfyUI. The rest of the node might not be installed, so you need to search the GitHub page for that and install it using Git in the Manager.
A very simple process.
If somehow there is still an empty node, you could install it manually by entering the GitHub link on the Manager. That's it, guys, how to install and use ComfyUI Manager. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.